Mastering cybersecurity awareness training. Cybersecurity awareness training is the last line of defense in protecting an organization's assets from catastrophic cyber attacks. What is the primary goal of cybersecurity awareness training, and how does it benefit the organization by educating its employees to recognize and resist various types of cyber threats, thereby reducing the risk of a successful attack and protecting its sensitive data and assets? The primary goal of cybersecurity awareness training is to educate employees on how to recognize and resist various types of cyber threats, thereby reducing the risk of a successful attack and protecting the organization's sensitive data and assets. This is achieved by teaching employees the skills and knowledge required to identify and respond to different types of cyber attacks, such as phishing, social engineering, ransomware, and other types of malware. Cybersecurity awareness training benefits the organization in several ways. Firstly, it reduces the risk of a successful attack by educating employees on how to identify and avoid common cyber threats. Employees are often the weakest link in an organization's cybersecurity defenses, and a single mistake, such as clicking on a phishing email or using a weak password, can compromise the entire network. By educating employees on how to recognize and resist cyber threats, the organization can significantly reduce the risk of a successful attack. Secondly, cybersecurity awareness training helps to protect the organization's sensitive data and assets. Cyber attacks can result in the theft or loss of sensitive data, including customer information, financial data, and intellectual property. By educating employees on how to handle sensitive data and assets securely, the organization can reduce the risk of a data breach and protect its valuable assets. Thirdly, cybersecurity awareness training helps to improve compliance with regulatory requirements. Many regulatory requirements, such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act (HIPAA), require organizations to provide employees with cybersecurity awareness training. By providing this training, organizations can demonstrate compliance with these requirements and avoid potential fines and penalties. Fourthly, cybersecurity awareness training helps to improve incident response. In the event of a cyber attack, employees who have received cybersecurity awareness training are better equipped to respond quickly and effectively. This can help to minimize the impact of the attack and reduce the time and cost of recovery. Finally, cybersecurity awareness training helps to create a culture of security within the organization. When employees understand the importance of cybersecurity and know how to practice good cybersecurity hygiene, they are more likely to take an active role in protecting the organization's sensitive data and assets. This can help to create a culture of security within the organization, where cybersecurity is seen as a shared responsibility. To achieve these benefits, cybersecurity awareness training should be comprehensive, engaging, and ongoing. It should cover a range of topics, including types of cyber threats, such as phishing, social engineering, and ransomware. How to identify and avoid cyber threats, such as how to spot phishing emails and how to use strong passwords. How to handle sensitive data and assets securely, such as how to encrypt data and how to use secure communication channels. How to respond to a cyber attack, such as how to report suspicious activity and how to contain and remediate a breach. Best practices for cybersecurity, such as how to use two-factor authentication and how to keep software and systems up to date. Cybersecurity awareness training should also be tailored to the needs and roles of different employees within the organization. For example, employees who handle sensitive data may require additional training on how to handle and protect that data, while employees who work remotely may require additional training on how to securely connect to the organization's network. Furthermore, cybersecurity awareness training should be ongoing, with regular updates and refreshers to ensure that employees stay up to date with the latest cyber threats and best practices. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, including online training modules, workshops, and phishing simulations. In conclusion, cybersecurity awareness training is a critical component of an organization's cybersecurity defenses. By educating employees on how to recognize and resist various types of cyber threats, The organization can reduce the risk of a successful attack, protect its sensitive data and assets, improve compliance with regulatory requirements, improve incident response, and create a culture of security within the organization.